Much of the concerns, remember, have been, of course, coming in from the Indian rupee. We have seen fresh record lows coming in for that currency. Let's get in a status check on that one as well. For that, we are now joined by Ashok Gautam. He's Senior VP and Head Global Markets Treasury, Axis Bank, and he joins us on a Mumbai phone line. Mr. Gautam, hi, welcome to the show. Thanks for joining us. How do you look at the Indian rupee now? The kind of decline that we have seen, rupee clearly underperforming many other currencies.
Yeah, Manisha, and as we have been maintaining, so it has looks like convincingly breached the level which we maintained for a long time at 56.20. And probably it does the lifetime low also today. And if it closes above that, and then probably room is open very much for 56.75 on the first strike, and then second beyond that maybe 57.20.
How soon do you see, Mr. Gautam, those kind of levels coming in? Because while the international currencies haven't declined so much, the Indian currency today really took a strong hit.
Yeah, in fact, probably the opening move itself took a lot of people by surprise. And there is no pointer in the within India or outside that it should have weakened so much. But probably now it looks like that 56.20 will be support for some time.
Also, there have been those reports in the Indian markets that RBI did intervene at 56.40 kind of levels, but rupee clearly not heeding into that. So would you say market really is bearish and there's little that RBI can do at current levels?
I would not like to say, whether RBI cannot do anything. They have a lot of things to do which they can do, and I am not too sure whether they intervene because they don't intervene through us. But let me just say that at this point of time, mood seems bearish and rupee seems to be under pressure. And as you said, what would be the pace of that 56.75 to come? I mean, it can come in a day also, but I only hope it doesn't happen so fast.
Last question, Mr. Gautam, and where do you think the rupee is getting most of its pain from? Is it the domestic cues or it's the international markets which are putting pressure?
It looks to be, a lot of news from the domestic front seems to be driving it. But probably, when even there is a positive news outside, then something, on the domestic side comes up which actually puts pressure on the rupee, or vice versa also. So it seems to be actually only, soaking in the bad news and weakening.
All right, Mr. Gautam, we'll let you go at that. Thank you so much for joining us. So that's the view coming in for the Indian rupee. Really, we have seen record lows coming back for that currency today. But at this point in time, off those kind of levels into the market. So you're looking at 56.40 there by holding, but still 1.5% of a decline coming in for this week.